Hello, my lovely angels. How are you guys doing? Today, we are going to see how your coming week is going to be. So, we have three options over here. Option number one is Three of Wands. Option number two is Three of Cups. And option number three is Three of Wheels. That is Three of Pentacles. So, you can select any option that you're drawn towards. And we can see how your coming week is going to be. Alright, so let's get started. Hello group number one, how are you guys doing? I hope you're fine and rocking as always. Today we are going to see how your coming week is going to be. So you have selected Three of Wands, which means planning, organization is going to be your focus. Teamwork is the theme of the week for all the piles. Alright, I feel that you will have to sit down, write down your goals and have a plan of action to achieve it as well. Let's see how your week is going to be. Beginning of the week. You got the Fool card. Mid of the week. Queen of Swords. Wow. And end of the week. Okay, Knight of Wheels. So you have got two court cards, which means other people are going to play a very important role in your week ahead. You will start with a complete fresh new beginning. You may feel like being very adventurous and taking risk. However, take calculated risk and avoid any impulsive decision. You will travel or make travel plans in the beginning of the week. You'll be extremely playful. However, in the mid of the week, you will be back to business. You'll be very practical. You'll want to do everything in a particular manner. There will be a woman who may be a little harsh, who will try to give you some advice. Take the good and leave the bad. Okay. At the end of the week, you will be making steady progress. Okay. There will be steps that you will be undertaking in order to grow. You may feel that things are going ahead, but not at the speed that you are expecting them to be. Alright, there will be a young person who is going to help you in your weekend, especially during the weekend. Okay. Some of you may also, go to some place of nature in this week. Some of you may also get some medical test or some sort of gathering of information in this week. Apart from this, there will be a main male who is going to guide you. And there will be some sort of journey that you will embark, either physical or emotional or spiritual. Alright, now let's see what your Wheel of Fortune is going to tell us and what your Book of Answers will guide us as well. Group 1. So it's a Book of Answers. Let's see. You may have opposition. So this week, expect some sort of opposite forces. However, you stay assertive and you focus on your goals and don't let these opposite forces distract you from your goals. Think about a question and let me spin the wheel. Oh, you have got, it's quite yes. It's not in between. It's not like 100% yes though. I feel there are certain factors like we already got that there is opposition. So you need to overcome that opposition and things will move ahead for you. Alright, my lovely angels. I hope you have a great week ahead. Take care of yourself. Lots of love to you. Bye-bye. Hello group 2, you have chosen the Three of Cups, which means this week it's all about fun and spending time with friends, having deep talks, conversations and contemplating, deciding on things as well. Alright, you may reconcile with an old friend or meet with an old friend. You'll also spend time going to good restaurants, having good food, or maybe you will order great food and spend some good time with your friends. Or you may just spend the best time with yourself. The beginning of the week. Seven of Swords, okay. The mid of the week, Ace of Pentacles. The end of the week, the Hierophant. Okay. So, you have got Seven of Swords in the beginning of the week, which means you need to be very, very vigilant, careful. Somebody may try to trick you, and even you may try to take some shortcuts. So follow the right path as much as possible in the week ahead and ensure that you're taking care of your belongings. The middle of the week, there will be an opportunity coming your way. You may receive cash or some sort of a good discount or a good deal in the mid of the week. This particular mid of the week, you may also decide to save more money to work on your expenses and your income. All right. At the end of the week, you may visit a spiritual place. You may spend time doing spiritual activities as well. I also feel that tradition will be of importance at the end of the week. Some of you may even attend a wedding as well, or some sort of spiritual gathering as well at the end of the week. People are going to look up to you and they are going to really respect you more at the end of the week. You're going to get a lot of wisdom at the end of the week. You may watch something that will lead to an aha moment, or you may hear something that may lead to an aha moment. Overall, the week looks good, but in the beginning of the week, be extremely careful. You got expectations, so whatever expectations are, ensure that you are having a proper plan to match that expectation. You got a pathway, so whatever you have been thinking, there will be some sort of path opening with regards to that. Okay, that's what I am getting with your cards. Clarity coming your way in this week. Now let's see what your book of answers will tell us. It is significant. So this week is significant. What you are thinking is significant. Do not write it off. Let's see what your Wheel of Fortune will tell us. So think about a question, my lovely group 2, and let me spin the wheel. You have got soon. So whatever you are hoping for or asking for will happen soon, group 2. Group 2, I hope you enjoyed this session as much as I did. If you did, hit the like button to subscribe to my channel. If you're guided, take care of yourself. Lots of love. Bye-bye. Hello, my lovely angels. How are you guys doing? I hope you're fine, enjoying your week. So you have chosen the 3 of Wheels, which means this week you will be taking lot of efforts to build something, okay, to create something. Some of you may also have some sort of renovation or some sort of rework done on your home. Okay, you may just change the decor is what I'm getting. Though 3 of Pentacles does not necessarily mean that, but this is what I'm getting as a message. Beginning of the week, you got the 4 of Cups. Okay. Mid of the week, 3 of Cups. That's interesting. End of the week, oh my God, Knight of Cups. Now, you have got all cup cards. Okay, so this week, your emotions are going to play a very, very important role. Water element is prominent in this week, in the coming week, which means intuition, creativity is going to be extremely high. You'll start the week, we're feeling bored and disappointed. Focus on the positives in the beginning of the week. Take help, ask for support, speak to a friend, spend some time. At times, spending time with a very trustworthy friend can be such a therapy. In the middle of the week, you will spend time, enjoying yourself. You will have some sort of event to attend to. Not all of you, many of you, though. I also feel you will kind of, just sit and chill with your friends. Just meet up someone, have a great conversation in the middle of the week. At the end of the week, there will be somebody who will put you on an emotional roller coaster ride. There'll be hot one time, cold one time. Or your plans may be on and off. So here you will have to be very, very mindful to not let someone ride your emotions. Keep your emotions in your control and do not give the power to others. Alright? Because this week the emotions are going to be very high. I feel that many of you will be quite spiritual as well. You'll get a lot of downloads from the divine. Wow, this came as it is. Family room. So there would be somebody from the family who may trigger you, so be careful. You may also renovate your family room. I also feel there will be some gift coming your way this week. However, don't write off that gift. Oh, it's so small. Oh, not a big deal. This gift is pretty significant, okay? You will also give gifts to someone. So this will be a week of exchanging and receiving gifts. Alright, so take care of yourself. Now let's see what your book of answers will tell us. You got to ensure the best decision, be calm. And since it's an emotional week, being calm is the most important thing, my friend. Let's see what your Wheel of Fortune will tell us. So think about a question and let me spin the wheel. You have got between soon and trust. Trust that soon it will happen. Okay. Alright, my lovely angels, I hope you enjoyed this reading as much as I did. If you did, do hit the like button to subscribe to my channel. Take care of yourself. Lots of love to you. Bye-bye.